Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are visiting a community here built by Ryan Homes at Dillon Lakes. And guys, this community, probably from what you can see all around me, it's in its newest phases. There's so much construction going on here, so which means that prices are low and this is the perfect time for you to get into this community. So if you haven't already checked out my videos, I did a video actually in this community visiting one of their townhomes in this exact same communities. But today we will be visiting some of these single families here. Right now the model we are currently right in front of is starting in the low 270s. It's about 19, closer to the 2,000 mark square footage, and it's a 4-bedroom 2.5 bath, and it's obviously a 2-story and a 2-car garage. So why don't you come along with me? Let's check it out together.
Front door open.
Okay, so from the moment we walk into I guess this little entryway area here, and right here to our right is the half bathroom. Remember I said this home has 2.5, and so this is a half bath. It's very intimate, it's cute. And then we enter the living space area. So this is the living space area. I love the ample light in here. Like, there's so many windows in here. Just looking right here within us, it's 3 windows, and then over here the sliding doors add a lot more natural light, making it feel much more open. And then we're just going to transition over here into the dining space area. One of the cool features I love that Ryan Home does is the lights. These type of lights, these are LED lights, and they're completely different. I haven't really seen many other builders do that. So that's really cool to me. And then I love the choice of flooring throughout the dining and the kitchen area. And another thing that I love, and it's becoming kind of common now, is the central island with the sink right in the middle. So as I mentioned, this is becoming really common with a lot of builders, but you can actually customize with Ryan Homes the color of your cabinets. So you don't necessarily have to go with this color. You can choose white. Personally, in a space such as this, I think I would choose white cabinets because it just makes it feel that much more open. So all of Ryan Home purchases do come with, do convey with appliances, all stainless steels, brand new appliances, even the washer and dryer. Not washer and dryer, dishwasher. So, but still no air fryer, guys. I don't know what's going on here. Should we let them know? So let me know in the comment section if we should let Ryan Homes know that they need some air fryers in here. I keep talking about air fryers so much because I recently finally purchased one, and so I'm finally, you know, like part of the air fryer crew, where I'm so obsessed and in love with my air fryer. And so just over here we just have like a pantry space. It's not very big. Keep in mind, guys, this home is only about roughly 1,900 square foot. And so over here as well is just some storage. And then this door here would lead you to the 2-car garage. I mean, we can just lightly just kind of glance in there, but they have a lot of things in here right now. 2-car garage. Okay, so come on guys, let's go upstairs and let us check out the 4 bedrooms upstairs. So all the single family homes in this community, the Ryan Homes at Dillon Lakes, are all 4-bedroom single families. So that's a plus, that's awesome. So come on, let's check them out. So immediately we come up here, we are going to transition to our owner suite, which is the biggest bedroom here in this floor plan. So all of the bedrooms do have carpet in them, and I love the natural light. You guys know I'm like obsessed. If you subscribe to this channel, you know I have an obsession with natural light. And another thing I like about this owner suite is the 2 closet. So this can be like, you know, if your spouse is getting on your nerves or has less clothes, you can give him or her this closet, and then you can have the bigger one for you and all your shoes and all your accessories. So that's the way I look at it. I would probably get the bigger closet. So now let's go check out the owner suite bathroom. So the owner suite bathroom here is a double vanity sink. I don't know if they look, no, they're the same size. For some reason they're, I guess my eyes were playing tricks on me. This one looks a bit bigger, but you can see that the cabinets here and the drawers here kind of match the theme we saw downstairs in the kitchen area. I do like this walk-in shower here that we have going on. So that's very nice. And so, ooh, I like the choice of tile. So why don't we actually just go ahead and we'll check out the rest of the bedrooms here. This is the laundry room. So Ryan Homes actually do come with a brand new washer and dryer for your purchases. And this is the same in their single family as well as in their townhome communities. So help wanted, 5 cents. You can apply in there if you want to, you know, work there. You guys are so tired of my jokes, huh? And then when we come around the corner here, we come around the corner to the second bathroom. So this is the 2.5 now we have checked out. So this is the 2 of the 2.5 bathroom. So it's kind of the same concept here as the other one we saw in the owner suite, except this is a single sink rather than a double vanity. So yeah, it's a shower head rather than a walk-in. And then to this bedroom right across here, you can see here it's kind of like set up for a little baby, a swinging baby robot room, or, you know, a spaceman room. So that's pretty cool. It gives you an idea of what you can do here in this room. This room, I would say that, like, to be honest with you, I don't think I would go I would go bigger than a full-size bed in this room, just because of the space. If you were to try a queen, it would probably feel very tight. But yeah, so it does have very nice closet space. There's some wiring stuff in there. You can just excuse that. And so let's check out the other remaining 2 bedrooms. And Ryan Homes does come with a Nest Home. So you can control those on your phone, computer, whatever. So that's pretty cool. And here is set up, and this bedroom feels slightly bigger. Not even slightly, this bedroom is bigger than the other one that we just saw. And I do like the setup because the window on this side of the room does allow that much more light in it. And for some reason, guys, remember what I was saying downstairs with white cabinets and white drawers? It just makes it feel so much lighter in here, right? Like, look how crisp it is in here, because everything, the drawers, the cabinets, not cabinets, the drawers and stuff in here are white. And they're like, it's like they're big, but they're glass, so it's like, it just feels really airy in here. And then this one, it seems like the closet space here is bigger than the other room that we've just seen. It goes down this way and also goes down this way. So the last but not least, the final bedroom here. Let's go check it out. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I love the setup in here, the choice of furniture, everything. Oh, these lamps are really cool. That's cute in here. And so let's check out the closet space. Oh, this one's closet is huge. Well, huge compared to the other ones. But it seems like this is a bigger bedroom too, actually. All right. So there you have it, friends. Thank you so much for taking a tour. Actually, there's another storage space here. So this can be for like your linen and stuff. This is actually a linen closet. Cool. So there you have it, friends. Thank you so much for taking a tour of this home with me. This home is a part of you know, the Ryan Home at Dillon Lakes series that I will be shooting. So this is the first of three single family homes that I will be shooting. If you're watching this in a certain order, I do have 2 more videos that will probably, I'm not sure yet. If this video comes out first, the other 2 will come out after it. If the other 2 come out, this video will be there. But expect 3 single family home tours within Dillon Lakes community from me. So guys, as I mentioned before, this particular one that we are standing in starts at a base price of about the 270s, and this is about that higher 1900 square footage home. It comes with a 4-bedroom, 2.5 garage, and it's a 2-car garage, all with new appliances and even new washer and dryer. So if you're interested in this community and you would love to make Charlotte your home, I want you to think of me. You can reach out to me on my social medias at Victoria B. Ayo Realtor. You can find me on Instagram and Facebook and even here YouTube. Also, feel free to shoot me an email at victoriaayo.costello@rei.com. All right, guys, see you in the next video.